Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying scope, topic, audience, and 3 main points you want covered. Once done, create a concise prompt that includes tone, target word count, and required sections. Include 3 source notes if you have them. Make sure to set the model settings: creativity, length and format, headings, bullets. You must also specify forbidden content and citation needs. This immediate action gets the AI writing right away instead of spinning on vague instructions. You now move into structure and draft generation. Ask the AI for a detailed outline with headings and 3 to 5 subpoints per heading, then generate the first draft one section at a time. This keeps coherence and eases edits. Once a section is produced, prompt for tightening, shorten sentences, add examples, or expand explanations. Make sure to verify facts against your sources and ask the AI for alternative phrasings when something feels off. Then integrate chosen edits into the running draft. You finish by polishing and preparing for publication. First, run a pass for consistent voice, SEO keywords, and smooth transitions. Ask the AI to rewrite sentences for clarity and to produce a meta description and suggested images. Once satisfied, add citations and format for your platform. If you encounter factual or logical errors, use a targeted prompt citing the error and asking for corrections or sources. This troubleshooting step quickly fixes mistakes and ensures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.